Hey, so let's get right to it. Let's talk about 3 ways you can market your mobile repair business for free. So, in the CellBotics course, we actually teach you, oh my gosh, so many ways to make money as a mobile technician or owning a store. We work with people both ends of the spectrum, but I wanted to give you 3 ways, okay, that you can do for free to get your mobile business out there. And so even if you already do repair, this is going to help you. If you don't do repair and you're thinking about getting in, this is just 3 ways that you can market. I mean, we give you so much more. So first, it's going to be word of mouth. It's really, really important. I know that seems pretty simple, right? Like, oh yeah, word of mouth. Let me tell my friends. No, I mean, really get out in your town or your city, network with other business owners, go to business networking events. You can host meetups, which is really, really good. You can use like the app Nextdoor. You can use the app Meetup, and you can create entrepreneur, owner meetups to network with each other, and that's all free. Okay, and so that's going to be really, really important. Is just word of mouth, getting out there, talking to your local churches, talking to your chamber of commerce, going door to door to door at businesses, and then of course speaking to people in your community. And you can do that through Facebook groups. You like yard sale groups, you can do that through other interest groups. Sometimes local areas have like fishing Facebook groups, we love Great Dane groups, and just letting people know and consistently being online, letting people know what you do, almost to where it's like you feel like, wow, I'm posting too much. I'm telling too many people. People get tired of hearing it, and then I just need to keep going, because when you are posting and telling people, maybe 20% are seeing that, actually remembering it. So you think you're saying it a lot because you are, but people aren't actually hearing it that much. So it's really important that you tell so many people about what you do that you're almost sick of hearing yourself, but you got to keep going. Okay. Satellite space. So this is really, really cool, but you can go into other companies that have space available. I mean, we have students that have partnered with thrift stores, computer repair stores, vacuum repair stores, bookstores, coffee shops, to actually have a space and signage within their business, because you really only need, for mobile, a desk, a little tiny area to work on, and a place to set your tools. You don't need a big space. And that's where a lot of people go wrong. They really overthink opening a mobile repair business. They think they need so much, when in reality you don't. You literally can start with the most basics, the most basic money, and really, really turn this into a very profitable business. Of course, a little bit slower than someone that just opens a retail space, but you can still get there. You know what I'm saying? So you talk to other businesses, gas stations, you know, other businesses that are owned by real people in your community. Hey, do you have space available? I can pay you a fee. I just want to set up in here, one time a week, and put my little sign on my counter when I'm not here so people can schedule repairs, right? You will be so surprised. Now, some people are going to tell you, get out of here, I don't know what you're talking about, but you are going to meet some business owners that are going to be receptive to the ideal that you have, okay? Events. So events may or may not be free. It just depends. If you don't sell anything at the event, then normally you can give out information, give out candy. You can even have like a character there with you, like, buy a mascot costume on eBay and then have somebody stand in it and take pictures with kids. A lot of times an event, a local community event, will let you be in the event for free if you have a character, right? So it may or may not be free, but giving back, just letting people know that you're there. Don't try to sell people repair. A lot of stores and mobile technicians go wrong when it comes to events because they get stuck on, I have to make money at the event. No, you don't. A community event is about brand awareness and letting people know that you're in the community. And so when you have the event, you definitely want to go all geared out, make sure your logo, your colors, whoever you have with you, your shirts are matching and all of that. And that you're giving away something, be it some games, which has people hang around. And it can be as like I set up a kiddie pool one time and I got some toys and I hole punched them and I put zip ties in them, and I got like a big plastic hook on a fishing rod and had kids fish out the little toys. And then we had, like, how dentist office have like a treasure chest. We had one of those, and they could pick a toy if they caught a fish, which was super easy. But what happens is you make all of that free, and then parents want to come to your booth because everybody else is trying to sell stuff. And a lot of times as parents, we go to events with the mindset we're not buying anything. We're there to have a day out. We'll get some food. We'll do some sightseeing, take in the entertainment. But we don't want to be bombarded with sales. Definitely not about getting our phone repair. Okay. So really take a chance to give back. How can I give back? Be creative, be fun, get a coloring page made for your mobile business. You can do that on Fiverr. It's very inexpensive, literally $5. Someone will make you a coloring page. Get some of those printed, have crowns out for the kids, you know? And so while they're there doing that thing for free, then you can talk to the parents. Now make sure you have signs, you know, free games, free kids games. So then people know they can just walk right up, that they're not going to be sold anything when they walk up. And you just let them know, yeah, we're sponsoring this for the community. We just want to let you guys know that we're here. I am telling you that this is going to be a game changer for you if you really do it. Now that COVID's kind of lenient and events are starting to come up, you want to be at every single community event, okay? So that's my 3 free ways that you can market your mobile repair business. Now keep in mind, if you want the full content from me, cellboticsonline.com, and I have a mobile repair business course, and you're going to get like 200 videos of content from me. If you're coming to our in-person repair course for phone repair, you actually get that with your course. So don't buy it. Get it with the course. All right, you guys, like and subscribe.